Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano X with Binance. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, open the Binance platform, either through their website or mobile application. Make sure your Ledger device is unlocked and ready. Finally, use Ledger Live to install any necessary cryptocurrency applications onto your device for the assets you plan to manage. This initial setup is crucial for secure transactions. To move funds from Binance to your Ledger, begin by logging into your Binance account and finding the withdrawal section. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then, generate a receiving address on your Ledger device using Ledger Live and paste it accurately into Binance. Always double-check that the address matches exactly. Finally, confirm the transaction on Binance and then approve it on your physical Ledger Nano X device for maximum security. When sending crypto from your Ledger to Binance, start by opening the Ledger Live application on your computer. Select the specific cryptocurrency account from which you wish to send funds. On Binance, locate the deposit address for that same cryptocurrency and carefully copy it. Paste this address into Ledger Live. Review all transaction details, including the amount and address. Then confirm the transfer directly on your Ledger Nano X device to authorize the outgoing transaction securely. For optimal security, always double-check every single transaction address before confirming any transfer. Your Ledger's 24-word recovery phrase is paramount. Keep it safe and offline, never digitized. Absolutely never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Regularly update both your Ledger Live application and your Ledger Nano X device firmware to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. These practices are vital for protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.